All right, we are going to use this little crankbait. Little guy right here. Emily had some great luck with this yesterday fishing. Different spot, but you know, same principle, I suppose, so. Hello. Bass.
I've been thinking about fishing. I said, man, that water is deep enough to hold some fish.
Yeah, there's some, I think the biggest bass I've caught was a little sunfish. Dang it. The biggest bass I've caught, I think, is like 3.5 pounds.
That's a good size
Yeah,
bass.
out of here. But then someone said they caught a 10-pound bass.
You're catching a little brim. That's a big brim.
I know.
Catching them on a little plug.
Thought I just saw a decent sized bass in front of me, but unsure. And again, I don't do anything fancy when I fish. I just reel. I go with our worm here. Water's pretty clear. Let's see what we can get. Well, slim pickings. I think it's because there's no cover over here, so they hang out a little less. So we'll cast out over here. We know there's some greenery left out there. Got him. Nice size. Nice size fish. Nice size little baby bass. He's kind of heavy. See if I can get this hook out without needing my pliers. I'm a plier girl. Nah, looks like I can't get you out. GoPro be acting up. Hardcore. Alright, we are fishing here. We're going to use a blue worm. This water is a lot more murky, so I don't know if this worm's going to actually do much. Oh, something just surfaced right there, so we know they're in there. If not, I'll switch to the red. Alright, let's crankbait it. Try this guy. Let's see what we get to see him, huh? Stuff is jumping left and right in here. There we go. First cast. We got a little guy. You should have thought about your decisions before you ate this. How's that?